Hey guys, welcome to Log On Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Google account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Google account online, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address accounts.google.com and turn enter. And over here guys, before landing on this page, if you have not already logged into your account, you'll be required to log into your account which you want to delete, your precise Google account which you want to delete. And over here guys, you can see this is the account I want to delete. Now in order to proceed to delete your account, here you can see at the left side of the screen there is the data and privacy option available for us. In order to delete our account, we'll be required to click on the data and privacy, and after that you'll be required to scroll down to the end of the page directly to the bottom, and where it says the delete your Google account. And in order to proceed to delete your Google account, click on the delete your Google account option over here, and over here you will be required to enter your password of your Google account which you want to delete in order to verify that you're the one who is wanting to delete that account. And after entering your password, click on next or turn enter. It's the same thing. And over here guys, this is the page where you will be able to delete your Google account. In order to do so, you will be required to close all of these services of your Google account and used by your account. So to do that, click the boxes over here where it says that I understand these accounts will be shut down, and after that all of these boxes, if you have other boxes over here, check them and click on those boxes and they will be deleted. And with that being said guys, after choosing all of these boxes or clicking on all of these boxes and accepting the terms and conditions before you delete your Google account now, and after accepting it, there is the delete account option available at the bottom of the page. Simply click on the delete account button available over here, and then your Google account will be deleted. And there guys, this is how you delete your Google account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.